Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, as you know, Capgemini has released the written test result which was conducted on 19th of December for many of the reasons. But still for some of the reasons, the result has not been declared. So friends, now the queries which is coming to the student mind that if they have cleared all rounds, then they should get the interview mail. Okay, so this is the first query which many of the students is asking. Then I got the work style report, when will I get the interview mail, when the result for written round will be announced, and what is the expected cutoff for Capgemini, right? So after we write the exam, definitely this kind of queries will be coming in picture. So friends, I will request you to watch the video till the end, because I will tell you each and everything, and this video will clear all your doubts. You do not have to look, or you do not have to search for any other videos. Before that friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please click on subscribe, and also please click on this bell icon, so that you will be notified with all the videos. And even we put lot of effort, so our effort will increase more and more when the number of subscriber will increase. So please do a favor for us now. So friends, yesterday, so Capgemini has released the result for many of the regions. So many of the students were asking, sir, I have cleared all rounds. That means I have cleared pseudocode, I have cleared verbal, and I have cleared game based. As you know, so every round, all the three rounds, right? So all the three rounds, so either your pseudocode or your verbal ability, okay, and your game based, all three are the elimination round. That means if you do not clear pseudocode round, then you will not be moved to the verbal round. Okay, if you do not clear the verbal round, then you will not be moved to the game based. And if you do not clear game based, then you will not be able to write this behavioral aptitude, or I mean the whatever the last round will be there, behavioral or psychometric test also you can say. Okay, now so all are the elimination round. Now you have cleared pseudocode round, you have cleared verbal round, and you have cleared game based round, and you have also given the behavioral aptitude test, the psychometric test. Okay, now you should get interview mail or not. So friends, there is no guarantee of you getting the interview mail if you clear all the rounds. Okay, please keep that in mind. I will tell you the reason behind that. See, many people will just tell that, okay sir, if you have cleared, but still you will get or you will not get. But what is the reason behind that, that we will understand. Okay, now friends, so what happens, suppose Capgemini has to hire 100 candidates from your college. Okay, 100 candidates from your college. Okay, now what happened, suppose 500 candidates cleared all the four rounds. 500 candidates cleared all the I mean three rounds basically, and you can say behavioral aptitude, so all the rounds. Now what Capgemini will do, so based on the marks, okay, what you get, so Capgemini will call only 200 candidates. Okay, and from that 200 candidates, Capgemini will take only 100. So even if you clear all the rounds like pseudocode, verbal, and game based, still you cannot be sure that you will be getting the interview call from Capgemini or not. Okay, so it does, if you clear all the three rounds, it doesn't mean that you are going to get the interview call from Capgemini. Okay, so this point should be very very clear. So clearing all the rounds does not mean that you are qualified for the interview. So only the 200 candidates out of 500 will be qualified for the interview. I hope this will give you a proper idea. Then I got work style report, when will I get interview mail. Now, so what is that work style report? So have you ever seen that work style report? So I will also show you the email which you will be getting. So from the superset you will be getting an email. So this is a old email. Okay, so this is an old mail, actually I'm showing to you. So I just wanted to tell you, so what is that work style report means. Okay, now so let us come down here. So, dear Gaurav, greetings from Capgemini. Thank you for your interest in a career opportunity with us, and we hope you have a good experience undertaking the virtual assessment under Capgemini Accelerate program. So, please click here to download your professional personalized work style report outlining 6 work styles, describing your task preferences, attitudes, and approaches to work, ideas, and outlook on interacting with others. Okay, so this is a say, just they have written this. Okay, now this mail has come from the Capgemini. Okay, so you can see here, your university relation and hiring team, Capgemini India, and then you will be able to see a work style report. Now, so the work style report, what it is saying, so that we will try to understand. Okay, so love your career, okay, and your career. So let us come down here. So this work style report will be sent. So and this will explain how you will be able to, right, so how you will be able to improve more and more, right? So you have given a behavioral test, so you are cool, you are calm, or what kind of behavior you have. Okay, you can work in a team or not. So at Capgemini in India, we work with the world leading brands to enhance. So it's a service based company, right? So you can see, if you'll come down, so your behavioral work style report, your task style, your adaptation style, your achievement style. Okay, so this is just, okay, so they are just telling about your behavior, your interaction style, your emotion style, your teamwork style. Okay, so conclusion, so we recognize that everyone excels at something different, and hope you find the information in this report valuable as you consider what motivates and drives you. So self knowledge is a powerful tool that can shape how you create and reach goals throughout your life and career. So basically, friends, this work style report has been sent to you so that you identify yourself and you work on yourself. So be very clear that if you are getting the work style report, it does not mean you will be getting a interview mail. Work style report is just to tell you that this is your behavior, you need to improve on that, you need to work on that, that's all. So work style report does not guarantee a interview mail. So friends, when the result for the written round will announce for the other people. Okay, so friends, the result for the written rounds will be announced within 6 to 10 days for all the reasons. Okay, so as 19th exams happened and yesterday was 21st, so within 2-3 days only they will start sending, but within 6 to 10 days for all the reasons, the interview, the written result will be announced and you will be called for the interview. Okay, now, so what is the expected cutoff for Capgemini? So friends, for any company, okay, if you will take, the expected cutoff will be around 70%. Okay, so the expected cutoff will be around 70%. So it depends. Okay, so it depends on the person who has topped in the examination. Okay, the 70% of the topper will be calculated. It is not like the 70% of the marks. Okay, because rationalization happens. Okay, so normalization happens. So there is no fixed cutoff, but you can assume that there'll be 70% cutoff will be there, and that will be normalized one. Okay, that will be the rationalized one, that will be normalized one. Okay, now, and friends, I have also started making video for Capgemini virtual interview, so how you should behave in the virtual interview. Okay, so if you click over here, so you will be able to see that. So the videos, I am covering it here, and each and every, like TR, MR, each and everything has been covered. Okay, so let me just, and even you can see Capgemini interview experiences. So all those things we have already covered. So you can see like how should be your dress code, what is a mistake you will be doing in the Capgemini interview. So all those things. And also, if you want to prepare from the best selling material, Capgemini material, then what you can do, you can click over here, and then you will be able to see this is our app link, and this is our Telegram contact one. Okay, and you can also see on the stores. Okay, so the Capgemini for the 2022 batch, we have already released the interview materials. Okay, so you can see Capgemini interview materials for 2022 batch. Okay, so you can go for that, you can prepare, and definitely you are going to get selected in the examination. Okay, so thank you friends for watching the video. Keep supporting, so do subscribe and definitely share with your friends, so everybody should get benefited. All the best for your Capgemini selection. Okay, thank you. Leave your feedbacks in the comment section, I will try to answer.